In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube in 2022. So I will be doing this on a laptop today, so this is how to do it on a PC or laptop, but I will be releasing a tutorial on how to do this on a mobile phone at a later date. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial, and what you're going to want to do first is come across to youtube.com. So you can currently see I've got the light mode set, which is you've got this kind of white screen, but dark mode is actually really good if you spend a lot of time on YouTube. It just kind of takes the strain off the eyes because it darkens the screen and it just makes viewing more easier. Of course, it's all down to personal preference, but normally I do prefer to use the dark theme if I'm on YouTube for long periods. So to actually enable the dark mode, it's very simple to do. As I say, what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your account, and then you want to come and click on your icon up in the top right hand corner, and then from here you want to scroll down the menu and you will see the option that says appearance down here. So you can see this is currently set to light, so what we're going to do is give that a click, and we're just going to change this to dark theme. And what's going to happen, that's going to reload YouTube, and you'll see it's going to reload it in the dark theme. So this is, as I say, very easy on the eyes, so it's a lot better if you spend a lot of time on YouTube. And of course, to change back to light theme if you want to, it's the same process. So again, you just click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner, scroll down to the appearance section, and again click onto light theme, and what will happen, it will again reload YouTube with the light theme enabled. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like on the video, and make sure you do subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.